I love BMW, but man, these hi-fi speakers are terrible. All right, y'all, so let's walk through this project a little bit and the reasons why I would highly recommend doing this yourself. Now, the X1 behind me is a fantastic car. It's really great. It's really, really practical, but it has the hi-fi speakers, which are the entry-level speakers from BMW. And you guys know, as much as I love the brand, the hi-fi speakers are terrible. There's no other way around it. You're gonna see that today as we pull different components out. They are not good at all. And in addition, if you have the hi-fi version of the car rather than the Harman Kardons, you're even missing speakers. So there's tweeters in the doors you won't have. There's a center channel you won't have. There's all these pieces that you don't get if you get the entry-level audio. And there is no reason in the world for you to keep it. If you like driving your car, you like good music, this is a fantastic upgrade that's going to take you past the HKs. If you've got the hi-fi speakers and you're like, man, I really wish I had the Harman Kardon, let's get better than those. I've upgraded many cars that have the HK or Harman Kardon systems, and the Alpha 1s from Bimmertech are absolutely the way to go. They are fantastic speakers, both the speakers and underseat subs. I'm going to walk you through this process of how to do this upgrade. And don't forget, all the parts and pieces you need will be listed in the video description below, including the window trim. Because the X1 Hi-Fi does not have the door tweeters here in the corners of the doors, there's an extra OEM piece of trim that you're going to need to order. It's not very expensive. It's really easy to install. I'll show you. And you can substantially upgrade your car. I cannot recommend this more highly. Make sure to check out all of my other Bimmertech Audio Alpha 1 videos. This same process is going to be very, very similar across other BMWs, specifically the X1 in this case, but really could be used generically for them all. And all of them are worth this upgrade. This is the upgrade I do every time I get a BMW. And I'm not kidding, I really do. All right.